Oh.
Hey there, kids. I'm a cool teen. I'm here to tell about gasoline. You might think it's comfy to sit back in that seat, but Stav's got a plan for you that isn't very neat. See these funky pants? These are pretty cool. And if you ain't got leather seats, then I take you for a fool. But when we're up together, the negatives transfer from these funky pants to the car seat I infer. And triboelectrically, as you now know, the chance for happening can be described as faux show. But now I gotta go, hope your lessons learned, or else you might end up with third-degree burns. Hi, Colby.
I have 5 degree burns.
Gates, or this one's for C Gates.